Okay, it's pulled a lot, but we still need one more. Yeah, it's gonna hold it with a lot of glue this time. It's already looked much better. See, I dropped one of my tools. Meanwhile, I put a different system here. This you pull with that. It's a hammer. Let's go this way, and then you just kind of pull it out. And what happened? It just come out doing absolutely nothing. This is the Amazon crap. Don't work. I'm gonna let it soak while I'm pulling the dent. Okay, and one more. So this big dent from the steering bar is already kind of looks pretty good. Okay, let's pull a little bit more. It's pretty good. I'm gonna peel those just to show you guys. This area here look very good right now. So I'm still gonna need to paint this tank, but I'm not gonna need to grind it and weld. And it's a problem to weld because on the gas tank, when you try to weld and if you don't do it the right way, it's really gonna explode in your face. Let's put on everything some alcohol. You need a 100% alcohol. It's very hard to find. 91 will work as well, and you just literally break it apart. I'm gonna clean it and come back.